Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're reviewing the Wavetune TV Antenna, a product that claims to pull in free HD channels from up to 500 miles away. Bold promise, but is it actually legit or just another TV gadget scam? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on available product descriptions, customer reviews, and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you asked me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Okay, so the Wavetune, or sometimes called WaveMax TV antenna, is marketed as an easy to use indoor device that picks up major networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, and more, all in HD with no monthly fee. It promises extended signal coverage, sleek design, and a stable connection, regardless of weather. Sounds great in theory, but real users aren't exactly blown away. On Amazon, the product sits at around 2.8 stars from over 300 reviews. While a few people report improvement reception and easy setup, the majority say otherwise. One buyer got only 2 channels, another claimed the signal was worse than their old antenna. Some were disappointed by the misleading claims, especially the 500-mile range, which is technically impossible with indoor antennas. Reddit users are skeptical too, calling it a generic antenna in fancy packaging, and warning others that it won't magically give you cable channels. One person said their brother likely got scammed after spending extra on a premium cord that made no difference. So does the Wavetune TV antenna actually work? Technically yes, but not better than a basic $20 antenna from your local store. The marketing promises a lot, but in real world use, results are average at best. If you're expecting a game changing signal boost, you're likely going to be disappointed. Hope this review helped you decide if the Wavetune antenna is right for you. If you've tried it, let us know your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no flop reviews. Thank you for watching.